Trading the London session on the 27th of January 2020. If you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade, I'll put a link down in the description. And please remember to hit subscribe. Let's get straight over to the charts. Hi again, welcome back. It's the 27th of January 2020 and time is now 7:55, so we're 5 minutes before the London Open. I've just sat down a little while ago to trade the London session today and managed to get straight in on one trade as I opened my charts around about 7:28. I actually took this trade and seen price pull back down on this little green candle here, the spike down, and took this long. So in on the UJ at 0.3, looking for further upside movement through that previous day's low, through that 20 and up towards that 50 is what I'm looking for. Euro Japanese yen, just managed to take a trade on this as price has come through an entry point. In fact, it's pretty much on that entry point right now. Taking this at 32. Again, looking for upside movement on this through that previous day's low, through the 50 and up towards 80 where I've got my take profit at the moment. US dollar, Canadian dollar, taking this long as it's just come through an entry point now. Got in this at 70. This price has broken out there, looking for it to push up through that 80 up towards the 0.0 where my take profit is. Okay, what I'll do, I'll pause the video for now and I'll give you an update in a little while to let you know if I take any more trades and of course give you an update as to how these three trades are doing that I'm already in. Okay, so back soon with an update. Just taken the New Zealand dollar US dollar short, got in at 69 as price came through an entry point. So that's 4 trades I'm holding at the moment. Just flick back through these, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, still holding okay and still in that, looking for that 80 level to be broken and move up towards that 0.0. US dollar, Japanese yen, still holding that. That was the first trade that I took around about 7:28 this morning. And the Euro Japanese yen, still holding that. Price not doing a great deal, still hovering around the entry point where I got in. But it's still very early. We're 8 minutes into the London Open. So I'll pause again for now and I'll be back to let you know how these trades are playing out and let you know if I've got into any other positions. Okay, I'll be back soon. Hi, back with you. The Euro Japanese yen, seen this big move down here, spike down and knock me out for minus 10 pips. So currently down 10 pips, still holding the other 3 trades at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen, not doing too bad at the moment. US dollar, Canadian dollar, seen that move up into that 80 area, spiked up into that and now it's pushing back down again. So looking for it to come back through that and hopefully the candle close above it. Always a good indication. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, just about hanging in there at the moment. So we'll see what that does. Okay, nothing else to let you know about at the moment. I'll pause again and I'll be back with you soon. Hi, back again. Just to give you an update. The New Zealand dollar, US dollar trade that I took, price didn't move out of an area where I needed it to. So I punched out of that, losing 1 pip. So currently down 11 pips at the moment. Not a big deal. Seeing that price moving down quite nicely now though. Other trades that I've taken, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, seeing this moving down quite nicely. Looking like a move on the Australian dollars coming into play there, which is also pulling that New Zealand dollar with it. But so yeah, the Australian dollar, Japanese yen got in this at 99 as price came through an entry point. Looking for it to break that 80 level, just below where it is at the moment, down towards the 50 where my take profit is right now. Euro US dollar, seen this come through an entry point. Euro, that weakness that knocked me out on the EJ earlier, is doing me a favour on this Euro US dollar. As price has come through that previous day's low, down through the 20, which was that previous day's low, and looking for it to move down towards that 0.0 where my take profit is. And the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, taking this just as price came through an entry point now. Looking for price to push down through that 50 level and down towards, let me just move this down a bit, down towards that 20 is where I'll initially set my take profit on this. So let's just do a quick recap and see where we are with these trades. Euro US dollar moving down quite nicely, pushing through that 20, and let's see if it holds that on this candle when it closes. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, moving out of the area that I needed to see it move from and moving down towards that 80 now. Looking for it to break that 80 and continue that downside move. US dollar, Japanese yen, not doing too much. Moved out quite nicely initially, but we're seeing this pullback here. possibly on the Japanese yen moves. US dollar, Canadian dollar, broken through that 80, pushing up quite nicely, and in fact I'm going to lock a few pips in on that now, in case that pulls back down again. Just locking that in to give me a couple of pips on that. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, not doing a great deal, looking for it to push out of that area where I got in, and need to see what this does on the close of this candle, so I'll be keeping an eye on that. As what is there, 3 minutes 20 seconds left on this active candle right now. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. 5 open positions, 2 trades, one that I got stopped out on, one that I punched out of, so I'm currently down 11 pips, but starting to see the market wake up now and starting to move reasonably well. So I'll pause the video for now, and I'll be back with you in a little while to give you an update and let you know how these trades are doing. So back with you, the time is 9:30 in London. I'm flat the market, punched out of those trades I had, seeing reasonable profit, and I'm done for the day. So what I'll do, I'll flick over to the summary screen and let you know what I did and how many pips I took out of the market today. So I decided to go flat the market, seeing reasonable profit, and I thought I'd punch out. You can see the winning trades here and 3 losing trades, giving me a total of 29 pips. So reasonable day, nothing spectacular happening in the market today, just average kind of moves, not a great deal happening, but still profit to be made. Okay, I'll just remind you, if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade, if you go down to the description just below this video, you'll find a link there where you can get all the information that you need. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back again soon with another video.